Hey guys, welcome back to Kilowatt Auto. So this past week, Tesla released their latest software update 2020.12.5, and in this update, it included the new Dashcam viewer. So today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Dashcam viewer, as well as give you a breakdown of the different accessories that you'll still need in order to use the full functionality of Sentry Mode. And we're starting in 3, 2. So the first thing you'll want to do is make sure Sentry Mode is turned on, and we'll access that by going into the settings menu. So click on the car on the bottom left here, and then under safety and security, about halfway down the page is the Sentry Mode feature. So we want to make sure we turn that on, and then it also gives you the option to exclude home, work, or any other favorite locations that you have set. And then to access the Dashcam viewer, we'll click on this icon right next to the LTE symbol and select Launch Viewer. Once we're inside the viewer, clips are organized either by Sentry or Dashcam mode. Once you select a clip, go ahead and hit play. And as you scrub through the footage, you can also swap between the different camera angles. Both Sentry Mode and Dashcam use 4 of the cameras located around the exterior of the car to record video. So Sentry Mode activates whenever there is motion in close proximity to the car, and then Dashcam records a continual 1-hour loop of video whenever you are driving the car, and will also permanently save footage in a designated folder when you press the record button on the screen. You can also enable Dashcam to save footage whenever you honk the horn. So once you get back to your car, if there was an event recorded, you'll get this notification on the left side of the screen here. So you can go ahead and click on that, and it'll automatically open up the event which just occurred. And now we can check the footage here to see what exactly happened. And again, you can rotate between the different camera angles by just clicking on the different selections around the corner of the screen here. The cameras Tesla uses record an excellent picture and make it easy to identify anyone who may have been near your car. And Sentry Mode also organizes any of the clips it captures by date, time, and location, so you can easily refer back to them if needed. In order to use Sentry Mode, the one thing you will need is something to record the video footage. So you have a couple of different options, but the 2 main options are going to be either a thumb drive or a solid-state hard drive. Thumb drives, you have to be careful with those because sometimes the cheaper ones are not as adept at being rewritten multiple times. So you just have to be careful with how large the thumb drive is and how often it's going to be rewritten, because you can get some degradation of your files if it's a cheaper thumb drive. So with that said, I opted to go with a solid-state hard drive, and these are much more adept at being rewritten multiple times. If you do end up going this route, you just need to be sure that you get a adapter. So this is a Sata to USB port adapter, and this just allows me to connect the hard drive directly to the USB port in the center console here. To install the hard drive, we just have to plug it in. And the USB ports, there's one on the left here and one on the right, and this just gets plugged directly in. So the addition of the Dashcam viewer definitely completed the whole Sentry Mode suite as a whole, and it's a really nice driver convenience, especially when you're parking somewhere where you're not exactly sure what's going to be going on with your car while it's parked there. It does give you a nice added peace of mind. But with that said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button and consider subscribing for future Tesla content. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below, and then also in the description below, I'll leave the link to the products that I used in today's video. I also have a link for my referral code down there, so if you are interested in ordering a Tesla, you can use that code to get 1,000 free supercharging miles. As always, my name is Dan, this is Kilowatt Auto, and I'll see you next time.